Hello guys, welcome back on a technology battlefield. I'm Harlan Quiz. To tell you in this tutorial especially when you are unable to recover your Gmail ID. In a case you have lost your Gmail ID, or someone who has installed and someone who has hacked your Gmail ID, or you have lost your device and due to that you are unable to recover. And Google is saying that especially you did not provide enough information for is Google accounts to be sure that this is your. Then of course it can be possible that by answering as many questions as we can, and we can recover the Gmail ID right now without having the registered recovery mobile number or email. So how it is possible? See, this is ID that has been recommended my viewer, and now we would like to recover. So live the recorded we would like to, for institution purpose, we would like to upload on this channel. So let's see here. Now see, this is a try another way. We have options. We don't know password, so just pick second option. That is a try another way. And upon here we don't have numbers, so just pick the another way. That is a you did not provide. Now see, it's a function that I couldn't sign in. So let it correct from here. Don't click on a try again. Otherwise, if you do the multiple times, and then of course it would be a freeze for the particular hour. So in that condition, let's come to Play Store directly, and here we will have to download that is a Instagon browser. Of course its total size is scarcely 3 MB, that's all. So just we will cut it from here. It's installing on the other hand, and we will come to Google products. We will hold the especially Google browser. Of course click on a help icon, and upon of course we will click on the permissions too. Of course here we will click on a location to make it the precise location disable, and click here, so it will deny. If you deny this permission, the basic feature of your device may be no longer function as intended. No problem at all. Don't allow any B for time being, and therefore of course we will cut it from here. Once again we will come especially in Chrome browser. That's also the parts of Google. So it has been developed, so just we will click on a help icon, and upon of course once again we will come the permissions to, of course we will explore to the location to the make it disable. So on the precise location firstly we will have to disable, and upon of course we will make it disable, and upon go for here, don't allow it, and upon of course we will have to back it here, and upon once more time we will back, and here is especially apps browser app on this particular. Of course we will have to fix this, and that is Instagon, and upon cut it from here, and upon why don't you especially open this run as administrations on this, we will have to accept all the term and the condition, of course that is recommended by the especially Instagon. Here we will have to fix this one, first one, that is google.com, and upon of course we will click on a sign in guys, no problem at all. So we are here, we will have to write this particular ID that we want to recover. Of course now it will here go, we will go for second option, forgot password, and of course we forgot especially number also. We will have to pick it, and now see this is also sanction the couldn't sign in. So we have an option here. If I click on a try again, then 48 hours it will ask you, and there any alternative Gmail ID you can put there, and upon email with the sufficient information, so this Google account would be recovered within 48 hours. Otherwise of course we have another clue here, so that is just we will get it from here. We will explore in setting guys, so let's tap on a setting. Now this is a crucial step that we will have to execute on accurate time. So just we will go for in here that Google service guys. We will have to fix this one. We have a 3 dot help icon, so we will fix this help, and of course we will have to explain here by giving the substance information your actual region, so lost and the installer maybe space in this device. So just we will go for the common fix, and upon our fix commons just click on a recover options. Here is asking so that tips to the complete account recovery, so we will have to follow all the instructions. So here just we will come the recovery page, and thereupon of course we will write here that is once again your Gmail ID, and thereupon of course here simply just we have to do nothing, just we will click on a. So now see guys, here we would be here, and upon here don't click on a continue, just we will click on a especially that is update password. Update password, when we when we will especially click here we will have an opportunity to generate or create new strong the password. Try to create a strong password. Otherwise, if you don't, then directly skip it, and there you can add additional any alternative recovery number, recovery mobile number, recovery email, and the phone. By that, of course, also we can reset your password. How easily this can be? See guys, very easy way. Right now on the live recorded, especially we are not going to especially generate or create this strong password, but of course this is very simple strategy that we can by using a specialist tag in the browser. So this is all about in this video tutorial, and one thing more that I would like to share, this is only one for institution purpose. Don't misuse this guys in this tricks, and for the any inquiry, confusions, then of course raise the query below the comment box, and pleasure would be mine to reply your the query guys. So thank you for visiting Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.